Hey, Kerry here with Best of U.S. Agents. Last week on July 4th, I put out a video that explained my three-shot approach to getting an expired listing. Now, to understand it, you're going to need to pick up a copy of this book. This is my book, and you're going to find it on bestofusagents.com. It's going to explain the baby boomer sell-off. It's going to explain how you identify the right expired listings. It's going to explain and show you the two letters I sent. So what I did with this was I sent first the puzzled why your house isn't selling letter. Then I followed that up 2 days later with the formula for selling luxury homes. And then 2 days later, I sent the video, the text message with a video. And you're going to see what happened as a result of that. And it's going to kind of surprise you as to how easy it is to move into this luxury market. Hey, I'm Kerry with Best of U.S. Homes, and back on July the 4th I shot a video here and told you that I was going to send the homeowner a letter, basically the puzzled letter, and then I was going to follow up with another letter, the formula for selling homes, and then I was going to drop her a video through text explaining how I was different and how she needed to do the listing through me. As a result, I sent that text last Monday. Within 4 hours, she called me and said, let's meet. Today, I'm here to get the listing agreement. So that's how it goes. It works. It's something that you need to put into your arsenal. Okay, so that's how it went. Okay, what do we do from here? I'm going to have my videographer out there probably on Tuesday or Wednesday, and we'll do a short 15-second video that introduces the house from the outside, and then I'll do an 8-minute walk and talk video through the house. I'll take that 15-minute video and I'm going to create a Facebook ad on it. I'm going to target it specifically for the people that I believe are going to buy that house. And I go into that in detail in my book. How do I do this? There. In my book, where I explain how you choose the people that you want to work with. So I'll do that. I'll use LinkedIn. Again, that's how I put this ad not only on Facebook but on LinkedIn, and I use a software by the name of LinkedIn Helper. Again, in the book, I dedicate a chapter to it. It gives you the ability to send 150 messages with a video, again, of the house every evening to 150 of your LinkedIn connections. It's kind of outside the realm of LinkedIn, but I explained to you in the book how to do that. So I'll do the Facebook ad where I target specifically. I'll do the LinkedIn, and then I'll do on my Constant Contact my marketing directly to my target market. So half the battle I've learned is to get the listings, and I've pretty well mastered that. I can get that done, and now I'm going to build a program that actually takes me not only into luxury homes but uses what I've learned to go lower, go down into the $400,000 or $500,000 homes, and then I'm going to enlist other agents to help me do that. And that is to say, I'll still do the videos, I'll still do the LinkedIn and the Facebook advertising, and I'll still have somebody showing up for every showing, because Best of U.S. Homes is going to be different than any other agency in this city. And eventually, if I can get you on the team, you're going to be different. And maybe you'll even have a Best of U.S. Homes sign out in the front yard. So stay with me. I think I'm onto something. If I can do this at will, walking out, doing three things, standing in front of somebody's house, getting them to call me and say, come see me, and drop their other agent that they had just signed a contract with, I think I'm onto something. And I want you to get on the wagon and come with me. So go to bestofusagents.com, go to Best of U.S. Agents Facebook page, and damn it, get the book. It's $30. It's going to give you the cue and the direction to take your career to a different direction. All right, that's all I can do. All I can do is ask. Let's make this happen.